Bitcoin greed arrives. What? You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Yes? Then smash that like button, because it's time for crypto news found on the right, crypto a tope. We are so happy today because we have the greed and fear index in the grid, and we had to wait 10 months for this to happen. Bitcoin keeps on going up, although right now it's going down, but we got to a new all-time high since the beginning of this year, 23,900, so really close to 24,000. Probably soon enough we will use a new thumbnail asking death to knock on the $25,000 range. And remember that even though we're so happy with that, we still have some issues to solve. For example, the gap in the futures CNMV 19,800, we have to go there probably. This is not financial advice, I'm not expert, but 90% of those gaps are filled. And remember also that it would be natural to have a bounce to this line and from there going up. That would be again 19,000 range. And remember that we also are following that path with the idea that we are following the behavior for Bitcoin of 2020. We'll see about that. Some Valentine's Day, 14th of February, that will be the moment for us where we will start going down since 25,000 approximately. Anyways, in the monthly chart, and you have to watch next video because we are going to do there a dedicated video about February for Bitcoin 2023, but we are above the moving average of 50 in the monthly. And now if we talk about the weekly and daily chart for Bitcoin, they are telling us information that is good and bad. So we have the golden cross approaching for Bitcoin, which would be a very good thing, but also they're telling us that although we might have a move up like this, which was a similar golden cross for Bitcoin, well, we also have an incoming death cross. So we have at the same time the golden cross and the death cross. This is crazy. Some people telling us that this is an indicator you don't have to pay attention to because it's not reliable, because it's too late for this indicator and the fake behavior of the price. What is a reality is that we closed 4 weeks in a row in green, and since August 2021 we didn't have this. Maybe we follow the path, we will go up a little bit more, 2 more weeks, and then down. That will coincide with my theory for Valentine's Day. Also here you can see that we are having a huge punch. If we go to the monthly, it's a 38-40% up. Since November 2021 we didn't have something like that. So cool. But remember that if we are doing something similar, well, we started from that point going down, which is no good. We'll see about RSI, this indicator that is up from last time we talked about it, and we turned this line in red because when we got to this point we started going down. But we have other situations where in this point green, 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 and green, things were still okay for several weeks. And if you consider the moment I like the most here, April 2019, well, we are in a point where we will start going crazy up. So again, as always, theories that says that Bitcoin can go up and down and still flat. Remember, the Fed has a lot to say with this. The 1st of February, we'll see about those rates and what will happen with our stare. And also remember that according to the New Year's Chinese, we are in a moment crucial because we might start going down. If you believe like this is going to happen as in the past 2 years, 9 days, and then a 25% drop. Or maybe you believe that we are like in the 2 previous years where it took 19 days to start going down, and one of them was 62%, the other just at 12%. What do you think about that? What do you think about Valentine's Day? Maybe that would be the moment where we stop enjoying the 63% up comparing to the past situations. Dollar, again, the behavior of dollar is going to be so important, but consider that on the weekend that we didn't have a market for US dollar, Bitcoin price went up So you can see that probably as we talk with the options, the future options that close on Friday, maybe they are trying to press Bitcoin to be lower, because when market is closed, it's going up. So maybe the FTX fiascos, etc., are something from the past. Standard & Poor's 500 going up, which is so good. And some good news, maybe in New York, if a new bill is approved, they will allow payments for fines and taxes. That will be so good for adoption. And also it's so good that in Nigeria, things are not going well. And Bitcoin has a premium of 60%, while the country limited ATM cash withdrawals. So everybody is trying to run to crypto because they don't trust their fiat currency anymore. The market is in the green. We'll see about the bubbles, and also here the wars. For example, Tesos, even though it has a good piece of information we are going to talk about. And Mina protocol, I have no idea what this is, but it's the best of the day. Ethereum found again resistance in the random line withdraw some time ago, but we are above 16 million Ethereum stake already in Ethereum 2.0, so that's a very good thing. And thank you to Jorge, the rider that sent me 10 euros to Rodrigo Arnido @gmail.com, and he asked me about staking for Ethereum, but with 32 whole Ethereums. If you have that, you can go to Killing. I don't really know about that, but I leave you here information about it. It would be, you will find it in Ledger Live. There's the QR code, and here's some information about it. But again, for me, my biggest concern is that after FTX, after everything, the trust is not there anymore. And I don't know if you have the 32 Ethereum, even though they are telling that they are always working and the contract is okay, I don't know if you will trust them or not. If you want to try Lido, the other options where you don't need 32 Ethereum and then the risk is less, well, watch our video about it with Ledger and Ledger Live too. And also you have a link in the description if you want to buy one of those Ledger. Cardano has 50,000 new wallets just in a week, going up. We are so happy. It's in the line of resistance, and maybe we can dream about $1 once again, now that we're going to have the JET, the stable coin for Cardano this week. Thank you to everybody that is coming to Cardano on the right with their ADI. Fanon is the ticker. Thank you very much. And now let's talk about Dogecoin. Elon Musk asked again if he would maintain the promise that he will eat a burger, a McDonald's burger on TV, if they accept Dogecoin as a payment. There he said again, like 100% accuracy, so he will eat that burger. And this is Bitcoin, this is Dogecoin price action. We'll see about it. And let's talk about IOTA. We haven't talked in a long time, and now that it's more into the Europe association, so we can see that IOTA, little by little, quietly, is being adopted by countries and high institutions. Good for IOTA, that maybe will go to previous all-time highs at some point. Here, Litecoin leading the market as we expected. Do not miss that out. Do not miss this video we did about why everything is happening. But again, once for the good, once for the bad, everybody's saying that we have a bear flag for Litecoin, and so we might go down from this point. We'll see about that. We have good news for Tesos. As I was telling you, despite the price going down, DMV in California now is going to digitalize the system using Tesos. So good for the cryptocurrency that has this chart, and still a long way till previous all-time highs. We'll see about that. Now that we are in the grid, and it took us a long time to be in this range, 10 months, as I was telling you. So now, are you going to take profits, or are you thinking that maybe the things you hold could 10x, and so you are not going to take profits? It's always the same question. What are you going to do? Leave a comment below. Thank you very much. And let's talk about some concerns. FTX and Bankman Fried, now he's trying to influence witnesses through encrypted communication systems, signal, etc. So crazy that they allow him using a computer, in my opinion. And according to BlockFi, you have a lot of questions. I told you I will let you know all I know about it. And they sent me an email, here you have it, where you can see that they're telling us that we still have to wait. We don't have to submit a claim or anything unless you are a very specific client. And also with your loans, you have to do nothing. This is zero interest right now. Let's see if you get your collateral back in the future. And also your card that you can't earn anything with it. So it's more of the same, but we will review it from time to time. And in the DeFi NFT Metaverse ecosystem, we are close to the $50 billion, which is so good. And the piece of information of the day is that Amazon wants to enter the crypto NFT market with gaming initiatives. Those rumors are growing bigger and bigger, and you can picture what would happen in the crypto world if Amazon is into it. I'm so into Audible, the brand from Amazon for audiobooks. I just ended I Love Myself, I Love You, which is okay to work in your brain and relationships, and also Survival of the Richest, which is so critical with technology, and I like to see other ways of thinking different from myself. So interesting too. BNB token is still up, so that's good for my concerns. They burned some tokens allegedly, and Ripple, that has a new president, it's a girl, and they are close to a deal in the trial. We'll see about that. This is the chart for XRP. What do you think? It's going to go up or not? And let's talk about Over the Reality. Our friends, they are supporting Fun on the Right. Thank you very much. And you can earn some money with them. If you are a design artist, well, you can go to the affiliate program Tinus and create all that awesome stuff for the metaverse. If you have a special order, remember Valentine's Day is around the corner, and you can give a special present this year. That would be a personalized song telling your story. And if you are a rider, you have a 25, not 20, 25 euro discount using the promo code FANON25. If you have a more expensive song and you prefer a 10% discount, then just the code FAN on the right and you will have that 10% discount. But you have to run, because we are getting close to Valentine's Day and you will have no time in the future. Technology, Brave is telling us that TikTok may be banned in United States, and it's not a stupid thing, because they listen to you all the time and watch you through your camera and etc. It's okay using TikTok, but just know that they have all that information. And we'll see in the future about these kids with two screens playing at the same time. They watch TikTok the whole day. What do you think about this, about the society we are going to go in the future? Leave me your comments below. This is an idea of what the future would like in the past. We have a cassette there, and also we had
say hello to Henry.
We had the webcam already there. So cool. But not just that, we also pictured at that moment the possibility of printing a screen like we can do now,
Henry, picture coming up,
with a printer. But in that case, they would be like this kind of printing strange things, radiography, or however you call that. I don't really know how. So that was the future in 1969, so close to reality. And now technology from animals and people. Bones in birds are like this, and you thought this was for weight, but no, it's also because they breathe through their bones. Crazy stuff. Do not lose your bones, do not lose your muscle mass. Do exercise every day. That's my advice. I'm doing this routine. I'm finding new routines in Twitter and do them all, because I don't want to lose it. And focus in your life, because if you go there just believing that you know everything with your hands in your pockets, then something like this can happen and you can't react on time and you just eat the car. So take that under consideration and believe in centripetal force. You can put some water into glasses and there through this force do this magic and the water stills there. Magic! Yes, it's magic. And thank you to Lalo Gonzalez that told us that in Argentina, in the beach, he was surrounded by Santander and also by Visa. But if you look in front of you, you see that they accept also cryptocurrencies. Little by little, Bitcoin is going to the moon. We have this in Palma, in Spain, Mallorca. Go there and make a picture. And let's talk about animals here. An ant with so huge strength, like if it punched you in the fence, you are out. Also cats that want to fly to the previous all-time high for Bitcoin like crazy. I need to see that again. 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 Oh my God, $16,000. And do not mess with the crab, because the crab will destroy you even if you are a transformer. This is Bitcoin in the long run. It will turn you down. Good for it. We have no more time today. If you want this in Spanish, go to our primary channel. If you want more in English, just wait for next crypto news, fun on the right, health, money, love, party in peace. The best is yet to come, and crypto a tope.